It is running really hot in here. I could feel the heat. So I don't see it, I could feel it. Today we're actually going to change our actual thermal paste because the one that we have, it's completely dried. So we're going to upgrade the thermal paste, and we got this thermal grease. All right, so that's what we're going to do. This is stronger and it's supposed to help it set up even faster. So I'm going to show you a little bit inside the actual thermal paste, and it comes with a little spatula. Right, so we are going to spread it out nice and neat and set it up and see how it works. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to start by removing our video card first. All right, video card is very important because it's the most expensive thing I have in here. I'm gonna clean up the old one. If you guys could see how dirty it is, and it wasn't picking up very good on this side. It was overheating. This is a thermal tape that we had before, and it was working well for maybe a couple months, but then it just completely stopped working. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. We're gonna clean it up as much as we can here. We're gonna get some napkins, and we're gonna put some alcohol. Make sure that we preserve the stuff and get rid of this stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But that's how bad it was, that it wasn't picking up on this side. Half of the system wasn't even getting the actual water treatment that it needed. All right, first we're gonna dry clean it first. All right, as much as we can dry clean it. But look at this, this is not even coming out, so we're gonna have to dry it. Oh, this is horrible. Let's scratch it out when they're nailed, but it's coming out easy. Actually, it's not that bad, but it's not a good, I don't know why it didn't stick very well. So just to let you guys know, I used the tape and it worked for a couple months, but then started getting overheated badly and lagging, and so we ended up looking at it, and it's failed. Tape failed. So not a recommendation no more. At first I was recommending because I did like what it was doing, but now it is failing. Now we're gonna clean it as much as we can, and then we're gonna add the thermal paste right now too, because that's gonna be a necessary thing. I'm gonna add a lot of it too. Right now we're gonna do thermal paste, right? And we have our thermal paste ready to go, and we're gonna put some compound in here because we need some heavy duty ones. So I end up getting this one just for this part. So let's go ahead and set that up, mix it up a little bit because it's been sitting here, and then all you gotta do is just paste it down. That's all you gotta do, paste it down. Cover the whole thing if you can. This one's gonna cover it really good. Actually, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more sometimes too. I don't care if it leaks over, but this side, just keep it in place and pat it down, and it should work for a long time. Just one more, a little bit more, just in case. I like to add a little bit more. Keep it nice and thick for now. Let it last long, and make sure I'm grabbing all the stuff, and then even it out. Come and even it out too. That's it. So the rest of it, put it in here, put it away, and clean this up for another day. Alright, make sure these are nice and tight, because we're gonna set this CPU here, and this was loose. I'm hand tightening them just to make sure that it's gonna grab on. Now we're ready for this thing. Now this thing, I'm gonna put it back how it was. Make sure that it's nice and clean too. And then we're gonna go ahead and set it this way and let it launch. And once it goes down, want to make sure you have your screws ready. All right. I want to make sure the pressure's enough pressure in there that it's marrying the actual water pump. All right. And I know they're meeting to each other, because I took it off and before, and I know there was a good connection, but I added a little bit more thermal, just a little bit more. Doesn't matter, you can add as much as you can, but nothing happens. It's been proven. So I like to come in here and just one twist. If after a hand twist, one twist. All right. Not even the whole twist, just a little tiny twist, and that's it. So because I got to come back later on, and if I don't have any tools, I can always do a hand. So let's go and see the new thermal how it kicks in. Now check out the temperatures. It's actually working a lot better than before. I wasn't getting good connections, but now it's actually really good, if you guys can see that. So I'm pretty much liking this whole thing, how it works. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.